Naku, galit kasi dad ko very conservative, as in very conservative. 'Di ba I came from a first marriage. When I separated, tapos annulled, ano I was in my 40s, dun ako nakatira sa parents ko. Bawal akong hindi matulog dun, kailangan may curfew ako 12 midnight, at 40s. Gano'n talaga. Tapos siyempre, very conservative sila, ayaw nila. Tapos nung start talagang wala, ayaw nila. Tapos ngayon, after years na nakita naman nila, siguro parang natakot sila for me. Kasi nga 'di ba yung artista before, alam mo naman yung mga reputation ng, and he had wives before, 'di ba yung
Mm,
parang
mm.
siyempre takot sila for
Yes.
me.
Hmm.
Pero siguro nung nakita nila, wow, tumatagal and parang mukha namang ano, totoo naman pala, parang mabait naman pala sa'kin and loyal.
Mm.
Tapos later on nung finally willing na silang makilala, ngayon, wow, ano, parang favorite na siya in a way.